Are you being annoyed by the Browser Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Before we walk through the Browser Library troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the Browser Library, the Computer Browser Service Library. It manages the unmanaged discovery of NetBIOS names and shared network resources, printers and files, on a local network subnet, mandatory for the Localized network folder in Windows Explorer to populate with other available computers. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. A missing Browser Library DLL usually suggests that a failed update removed a critical piece of the Localized browser orchestration integration, so reinstalling the latest version of your software, where the error was shown, will automatically restore the library and update the registry links. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Browser Library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Most individual downloads of Browser Library DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If Browser Library is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Browser Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support